PapaThemes, premium BigCommerce themes. Fast, stunning, versatile, and feature-packed. We deliver a premium BigCommerce experience with sleek design, blazing speed, and unmatched flexibility. Available in multiple themes tailored for different industries, including Eyeva BigCommerce theme, Dinosaur BigCommerce theme, Kitchenary BigCommerce theme, MoonCat BigCommerce theme. Eyeva theme, versatile and refined, with sofas, laptops, and glasses variants. Dinosaur theme, the variants of men's, women's, and kids' fashion. MoonCat theme, playful and warm, with pet store, healthcare, baby and mom, and bookstore variants. Kitchenary theme, clean and professional, perfect for fashion, gaming, pharmacy, and cooking stores. Every Papa theme includes ready-to-use variants, premium features, optimized design, smart filter, built-in mega menu, easy customization, and more tools to grow your store. We're here to support you. Visit PapaThemes.com today.
Hello, I'm PapaThemes, delivering a premium BigCommerce experience with sleek design, high performance, and maximum flexibility.